Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to intake ashwagandha powder. To begin, a common and effective way to consume ashwagandha powder is by mixing it into a liquid. You can easily stir it into water, milk, or even a smoothie. A typical daily dose ranges from 300 to 500 milligrams, but it's always wise to start small. Remember, taking it consistently over time is important to notice its potential effects. There are several simple ways to incorporate ashwagandha powder into your routine. Many people prefer mixing it into a glass of warm milk, especially before bedtime, as this can be quite soothing. You can also blend it into your morning smoothie for an easy boost, or even stir it into a spoonful of honey or yogurt if you prefer a thicker consistency. Experiment to find what works best for your taste and lifestyle. When considering the best time to take ashwagandha, both morning and evening are popular choices, depending on your personal goals. It's always recommended to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement, especially if you have existing health conditions. Begin with a smaller dose, perhaps 250 milligrams, and gradually increase it as your body adjusts, always staying within recommended guidelines. Ashwagandha is widely recognized for its potential to support stress reduction and promote a sense of calm. Many individuals also find it helpful for improving overall sleep quality, contributing to a more restful night. Beyond these benefits, remember to stay well hydrated throughout your day. For a fantastic way to do that, check out the O-Ala water bottle link in the description, along with other great deals we've curated just for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.